Hey guys, how's it going? Hopefully everybody's having a great time. I'm here just picking up my car, my Lexus, and we're about to go get a car wash. I found a bunch of old tokens that were in a little baggie for the car wash. The kind of wash where you just go, put your tokens in and you have the brush and the hose and you kind of like wash it on your own. So that's where we are. I'm trying to figure this out. How do I want to do this? I don't have my mountain is giving me a hard time here. So and I'm excited because today is the big day that I will install my short shifter, my cube speed short shifter for my IS300. It's a W55 short shifter, and you know what, this is not gonna work. Well, I think it will work. It's just a little difficult right now. Whoops. But yeah, okay, I think that's better when I hold my camera like this. Yeah, so we're cruising down the street in my 03. Yeah, we're heading out to the car wash. We're gonna wash our car, well, my car, and it's really dusty because it just sits for like the whole week until I get to drive it on the weekend. Usually I don't even drive it on Saturdays, but today I'm gonna drive it. A bunch of dusty stuff on my camera as well. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. And yeah, let's go get this car washed, and then we're gonna go home and unbox my cube speed short shifter, which I'm really excited. The only thing that I need to purchase now is a cool I want a cool TRD shift knob, one of those either the ball one or the well, maybe the ball one. I think since this one is like the ball one, I'm like used to it. So if I can get the ball one, that would be great. So I think it's like 80 bucks though, or 60 or 80 bucks, I don't know. But I don't know what kind of other shift knobs I can, get for this. Cool ones, well, not cool, but kind of that look minimalistic, nothing too fancy, nothing too flashy. I don't want something with like beads and stuff all over. That's kind of no good. But yeah, let's go wash the car and then go from there. Let's get out of here. Alright guys, we just got home. We're gonna pick up my cube speed short shifter, which is right here, right behind the Cat in the Hat book and some Pokemon cards. And I opened just the package to make sure it was there, the little DHL box, but I have not opened the actual box. And what we need is, we're gonna go in here, my handy dandy stuff, and grab my wooden base, and we're gonna do an unboxing. This is my wooden overhead view that I have a video on how to make one. It's pretty simple actually. And we are going to, this is gonna go here, and this is what it looks like from the top. We're gonna unbox my box. So I'm gonna make a separate video on unboxing and how to install it. An install video shouldn't be too bad. So we're gonna shoot that video right now. So keep an eye out for it. It's gonna be up this coming week. I just need to finish this one first, and then we'll go from there. Let's go ahead and unbox this, and we'll see you guys inside my car. Alright guys, so we're back at it again. We're going to be installing the we're going to put it in neutral. We're going to start by taking this off, the shift knob,
3 hours later.
Alright guys, so we just finished up doing the install, and yeah, this is what the new short shifter from Cube Speed is. Sorry, the cable's in the way. I'm trying to charge my phone, but look at this. Hardly any. The other one would go so far, and that's 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's neutral. I can't believe it. It's very short compared to the stock one. I should have done a before and after, but we're gonna take this out for a ride, and yeah, we'll see. Hey guys, so the my camera died. My camera died, and we just finished doing the install, so we're gonna go out for a drive and test out this short shifter, which is pretty awesome if you ask me, and we'll see how it handles. Let's take a look. It just feels so much better, honestly. I'm very happy. I am very happy with the install, and I'm still on my street, so it took me maybe about an hour, and it was way too long. I was starting to get pissed off already. I was regretting making this video, and I'm like, I should have just installed it without making the video. Should have done like a quick review type of thing afterwards, and instead of trying to film while I'm installing, because that usually takes everything so much longer. And here we go. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall off. It's mounted pretty funny, and everything looks pretty clean still. Wow, that's all I gotta say is just wow. I'm blown away. All right guys, so we just finished getting a ride through on the IS300 with the short shifter. Everything's installed. It took me a while, but I finally got it. It's just tedious to get that stupid little shifter into the transmission, but yeah, I mean, it feels great. Thanks for joining me. If you guys like this kind of little car vloggy, I guess, I don't know what to call it. I guess it would be kind of like a vlog with some sort of car element into it. So I guess this is my new car setup. I got my camera mount and my GoPro, and like I said, I want to get a couple more GoPros so I can kind of set them up throughout my car and have different like little angles and stuff like that. But yeah, if you guys are interested in the Cube Speed, or even just other car stuff in general, I'm going to be planning on doing future projects and putting them up. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for what's coming up. All right guys, take care. Later.